Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you own any company that wants to sell their products, I have something that you definitely need. This is a digital kiosk display by YIOUWUEN. Visuals sell these days, as you know, because you're personally watching this video to see if this is a product you want to purchase. The quicker you can get your customers' attention, the greater chance you're going to have that sale. And this will show them the background of your business, what you're offering, how you make it, anything you want. It comes with a thumb drive that you just insert into your laptop. You upload your videos to it, you plug it in, it has a pop up, you hit import, and voila, your videos start playing like this. It does have volume, so if you want to add some volume, some talking or music, you can also add that to your videos. The picture on this thing is so crystal clear. It is amazing. It comes with a remote or a mouse you can control this with, but it is also touchscreen. And as you can see from this game that I'm playing, the touchscreen works very well. If you're at any screen and you want to go back, you just pull up from the bottom and the little home button does appear. When it arrives, it's one large screen all put together. The only thing you have to do is attach the base. It comes with an Allen wrench, so make sure you find that Allen wrench to really get those bolts nice and tight because you want this thing to be nice and secure. It is very heavy, so you will not have to worry about it tipping over. They also offer complimentary logo displays, so there's this nice area at the bottom where they can help you display your logo to make it even more personal for your business. So if you are wanting to up your visual game for your products, I highly recommend this kiosk. But that's just my point of view.